Hi. Yesterday I told you about email signatures both in Dynamics 365 and model-driven apps. Today I want to talk to you about email templates. You can set up as many email templates as you need so you can use them accordingly. Just take a look at this example. Let's say we're gonna email Scott, and this is an introduction email about the Power Platform. So we can click on Insert Template and select our Power Platform introduction email. And there you go. You got a beautifully written email ready to go. And please notice that even the attachment you want to send, maybe your company's presentation, is there so you'll never forget it. So just set them up and you can use them as many times you want, as many times you need.